Your battery should last at least 8 years, but 70% of cars on the road fail early due to bad brands or misuse. Follow my lead and you will testify. Today I show you 5 car battery brands to avoid and 7 that actually last 5+ years, and at the end I'll reveal the one mistake that destroys any battery. Starting with the brands to avoid. Number 5, budget store brands. We've all been there. You're at a big box retailer or a discount hardware store and you see a battery with a generic-looking label and a price tag that feels like a steal. But in the automotive world, if it feels like a steal, you're usually the one being robbed. The dirty secret here is white labeling. These aren't battery manufacturers, they are marketing companies. One massive factory churns out thousands of units with the cheapest possible lead plates and thin plastic casings, then slaps 10 different brand stickers on them. It's a gamble. You're getting low reserve capacity and weak cold cranking amps CCA masquerading as a deal. In a lab environment like the ones used by Consumer Reports, high-end units like the Duralast Platinum AGM score in the 90s. These budget no-names, they often don't even finish the test. If you live somewhere with extreme heat, those thin internal plates warp and short out in under 24 months. Is saving $40 now worth a $150 tow truck fee next winter? Number 4, Everstart Value Line. This is the ultimate gotcha for the casual shopper. You walk into Walmart, you see the Everstart name which actually has some great products, and you grab the cheapest one on the shelf. Here's the catch. The value line is the bottom tier for a reason. It sits below the Plus, Max, and Platinum versions. Modern cars are essentially rolling computers. Between the infotainment screens, GPS, and the dozens of sensors that stay awake, even when the engine is off, your battery is working 24/7. The value line simply wasn't designed for this parasitic draw. It's built with basic internal architecture that lacks the vibration resistance of its bigger brothers. When you put a value battery in a modern SUV, you're asking a marathon runner to sprint in flip-flops. It's going to fail. If you want the Everstart name, skip the bottom shelf and look at the Everstart Platinum AGM H5. The difference in build quality is night and day. Number 3, older diehard models. This one is hard to hear because for decades, the name diehard was the gold standard. But the automotive landscape shifted when Sears declined and the brand changed hands. The legacy lived on, but the technology in the entry-level models stayed stuck in the past. Specifically, I'm talking about the older red entry-level lines and the non-AGM gold versions. These use standard flooded lead-acid technology. While that was fine for a 1995 sedan, it's a recipe for disaster in today's stop-start engines. These older models are highly sensitive to heat and deep discharge. If you let them sit for a week, the chemistry begins to degrade. Now, diehard still makes incredible batteries like the Platinum AGM 35, which scores a massive 86 in independent testing, but don't buy the name alone. If it doesn't say AGM, you're likely buying a legacy product that can't keep up with modern demands. Number 2, some Exide batteries. Exide is a massive player, but their reputation is a bit of a mixed bag. The problem isn't that they don't know how to build a battery, it's that their entry-level units are built for the emergency market. You know the situation. Your car is dead in a parking lot, you call a roadside service or a local shop and they swap in whatever is in the back of the van. Usually it's a basic Exide. These are designed to be cheap and functional today, but they aren't built for the long haul. Drivers often report a ghost failure after about a year, where the car starts fine on Monday but barely cranks on Tuesday for no apparent reason. This unpredictability is the hallmark of a battery with inconsistent internal plate quality. Exide makes high-end gear, but if you're being sold a standard replacement, you're likely getting a unit built for convenience, not durability. Number 1, cheap no-name batteries. If you find a battery online or at a roadside stand with a brand name you can't even pronounce, run. These are the absolute worst offenders because there is zero accountability. There are no strict production standards or quality control checks here. I've seen these batteries claim 800 CCA on the sticker but barely push 500 in a real-world load test. Even worse, many of these no-name units use recycled or low-grade lead, which means they lose their ability to hold a charge almost immediately. And if it dies in 6 months, good luck finding a customer service line. You're not just risking a dead car, you're risking your alternator, which has to work overtime to try and save a dying, low-quality battery. It's a vicious cycle that ends with you spending triple what a good battery would have cost. Number 7, Everstart Max. Now let's talk about the winners. This is where the story changes. While we bashed the value line, the Everstart Max is the working man's hero. It is consistently one of the best performing batteries for the money. Go look at the comments on any car forum, you'll see people swearing by these. Why? Because the Max line is built with significantly more starting power, often pushing 750 to 850 cca. It's designed for the real world, short commutes, freezing mornings, and cars with heavy electrical loads. Plus, with a 3-year free replacement warranty, it's clear the manufacturer actually trusts the product. One viewer recently told me they got 8 years out of their Max battery. 8 years, that's factory-level performance for a fraction of the cost. Number 6. AC Delco Gold or Professional. If you want what the engineers intended, you go with AC Delco. Since they are tied to General Motors, these batteries are built to OE, original equipment specifications. The Gold and Professional lines are the sweet spot for reliability. They don't use flashy marketing. They use heavy-duty internal grids and high-density paste. This makes them incredibly stable. If you drive a European or American luxury car, think BMW, Cadillac, or GMC, the AC Delco 49 AGM is arguably the best fit you can find. It's designed to handle the massive module count in those vehicles without breaking a sweat. It's the quiet professional of the battery world. Number 5. Bosch batteries. Bosch is synonymous with German precision, and their batteries are no exception. They aren't the cheapest on the shelf, but they are perhaps the most balanced. What I love about Bosch is the linear performance. Most batteries perform great for a year and then fall off a cliff. A Bosch battery stays consistent until the very end of its life. They use a unique plate construction that resists vibration better than almost anyone else. If you're driving a Volkswagen or an Audi, this is often the closest you'll get to the original factory performance. It's a buy it once and forget about it type of product. Number 4. Interstate batteries. You've seen the green and white logo everywhere, and for good reason. Interstate is the choice of professional mechanics for one reason: consistency. Their MTX 47H5 AGM is a beast, scoring a 91 in independent testing. That puts it in the top 1% of all batteries ever tested. They are built like tanks to resist the two biggest battery killers: vibration and heat. If you live in the South where the summer sun cooks batteries alive, Interstate is your best defense. Plus, because they are sold almost everywhere, if you ever do have an issue, a replacement is never more than a few miles away. Number 3. Diehard Platinum AGM. The Platinum AGM line is Diehard's redemption arc. This isn't the battery from 10 years ago, this is a modern marvel of engineering. With a Consumer Report score of 91, the Platinum AGM H5 is world-class. The absorbent glass mat AGM technology means the acid is absorbed into fiberglass mats, making it spill-proof and incredibly resistant to the deep cycling that kills standard batteries. If you have a car with auto start-stop technology, this is the level of battery you must have. Anything less and you'll be replacing it every 12 months. Number 2. Odyssey batteries. Now we're moving into the elite category. If the other batteries are cars, Odyssey is a heavy-duty truck. The Odyssey Performance AGM scored a staggering 94. It features pure lead plates, not the recycled alloy lead found in cheaper brands. This allows the plates to be thinner and more numerous, providing massive surface area for power. This battery can sit for 2 years and still start your truck. It's the choice for off-roaders and people with massive winch systems or high-end audio. It is nearly indestructible. Number 1. Optima Red Top or Yellow Top. And finally, the legend. You've seen the six-pack design. That's the spiral cell technology that makes Optima famous. The red top is for pure raw cranking power. It'll start a frozen diesel engine in the middle of a blizzard without flinching. The yellow top is the dual-purpose king. It handles high electrical loads and deep discharges while still providing plenty of starting power. These batteries are basically immune to vibration. If you're driving a performance car or a heavy-duty work truck, this is the safest investment you can make. It's not uncommon to see these last 10 years if treated right. Number 1. Leaving your car unused for long periods. Even an Optima will die if you leave it sitting. A battery is like a muscle, it needs to move. If your car sits for more than 2 weeks, the sulfation process begins, where lead sulfate crystals harden on the plates. Once they harden, that battery is a paperweight. Number 2. Bad alternator. You can buy a $300 battery, but if your alternator is pushing too much voltage or not enough, it will cook the battery from the inside out. Always have your charging system tested when you swap a battery. Number 3. Corroded terminals. That white, crusty powder on your terminals, that's resistance. It forces your battery to work twice as hard to push the same amount of power. A $5 wire brush can literally add 2 years to your battery's life. Number 4. Short trips only. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes of driving for your alternator to replace the energy used just to start the engine. If you only drive 5 minutes to the store and back, your battery is constantly in a state of undercharge. But there is one specific mistake that kills even the best batteries, and most people don't even realize they're doing it until it's too late. I've broken down exactly what that is and how to fix it in my next guide. Click the link below to discover the hidden battery tricks mechanics use to make their own cars last forever. See you there.